glaring RGB lighting, fancy look, lightweight, and budget. Let me introduce you to the Jeecoo J65 USB gaming headset. I'll tell you all about it in this video, but first, let's go see what comes in the box. Let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. All around the box, you see basic information about the Jeecoo J65 gaming headset and what it can do and all that. But opening the box up, you're greeted with the gaming headset itself, not so much of a first packaging, and lastly you find the user manual, which of course I will show you the usage information, so you can probably put that aside just for now. It comes in a nylon wrap, which just sort of bubblifies the packaging, so it is very neat and tidy when you start using it. Around the box, information in different languages, all the features you can get with the headset. Now, removing the headset from inside the nylon wrap, you are greeted with a green logo and a very comfy ear cushion pad and a microphone that really looks you look like a gamer. The microphone is noise cancelling. Also, the wire is not detachable in this model. And you get a really long cable with a volume adjuster, the inline mute button, volume adjustment, and on the left side you get the RGB on or off light, and then you get a USB 2.0 port which you plug into your computer. You see the RGB lighting on and off right there. That's pretty much all you get with the Jeecoo J65 gaming headset. The cable is really long, so you can sit on your couch and be playing the game some meters away from you and not be stressed at all when it's on the Jeecoo J65 gaming headset. And I'm going to plug that into my computer, and you see the RGB lighting come to life. If you look at the back, it's a flowing RGB lighting system, which really beautifies your setup. If you're gaming in a really dark environment, that is when the beauty actually really shines. You see, that switch turns on and off the RGB lighting on the headset depending on your preference, and you can modify the gain volume that comes into the speakers of the Jeecoo J65 gaming headset. As I mentioned earlier, the microphone is non-detachable, but there's noise cancelling and very comfy. The cushion pad that goes around your head is also very nice and nifty. I hope you like this. Let's get back to the main video. As with all of my audio gadget reviews, all the audio for this video was recorded using the Jeecoo J65 gaming headset, so you can have a feel of what the audio experience feels like. This feature are the ones to look out for when you're considering buying the Jeecoo J65 headset, and this includes virtual 7.1 surround sound, heavy bass and loud volume, comfortable cushion pad, noise cancelling microphone, flowing RGB lights, and multi-OS compatibility. This means you can use it with your macOS, your Windows, your Linux, even your mobile devices, as long as you can get a USB adapter to plug it in. I hope you like this headset. Let me know in the comment section if you consider getting one of this. I'll drop the link to the product in the video description and also as a pinned comment, just if you consider grabbing this Jeecoo J65 headset. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed this content, and subscribe to my channel if you like to see more videos just from me. Until I come your way again with yet another gadget review video, cloud videos, coding videos, I'll say stay safe and goodbye.